you see? What are we doing this weekend?
Well, we make a mega melty breakfast for everyone.
Melty?
Moms, kung gusto niyo ma-excite ang mga kids niyo this morning, try making this mega melty grilled ham and cheese. It's super easy to make. Don't forget to put a dollop of Lady's Choice ham spread to make it creamy and more
Delicious.
Here are the ingredients for easy reference.
butter 2 slices of bread. Alright, at ilagay sa pan.
Ooh, that's hot.
Once it's done, we're going to put a very generous helping of Lady's Choice ham spread. Now, we top it with cheese and
Ham.
put it
Together.
And then we're gonna put it back sa pan. Press and wait until the cheese melts.
Melty.
And we are going to be
Done.
try it, Lonzo.
Okay.
Try this quick and easy meaty-sarap breakfast recipe and watch out for more recipe vlogs using your favorite Lady's Choice meaty spread.
Like, share, and subscribe.